In this section of the course, we're going to look at CSS, cascading style sheets. This is the technology that's being used more and more today to add style to HTML documents instead of the font tag and the font size attribute and things like that. This will allow, in the long run, HTML to be more consistent and more extensible. First, let's take a look at a page without a style sheet. Notice we have in the body tag, we have a background color selected and a text color selected. This is the way things have been done without style sheets for a long time. And here we have a heading tag and a couple of paragraphs. Looking at this document in the browser, we see that the background color is in place, the text color is in place, and everything else looks pretty normal. Now let's look at the same page, done exactly the same result, but done with the style sheet. In this case, we're using an inline style sheet with a style attribute within the body tag in place of these attributes here. Now, that may not at first look like a very substantial difference, but it allows us a level of flexibility that we did not have otherwise. Let's take a look at the results. This is that page with the style in the body tag. Notice the title, body style. That's the only difference you'll see. Here it says body style, and on the previous page it said no style. So it is the different page, and there is absolutely no substantive difference in the result. But it allows us a level of flexibility that we did not otherwise have. For example, we can add to this style sheet, and we can say font family Helvetica. And by doing so, we change all of the fonts in the entire document to Helvetica. This is something you cannot do in just one place in HTML. In order to accomplish this in HTML, we would have to have several font tags. But here we were able to do it for the entire document, for everything structurally below the body tag, which would be everything within the body container. That's the kind of flexibility that we gain with cascading style sheets. And because they are cascading, we can change, if we want to, the font in this paragraph right here by saying style, font family, Georgia, and get Georgia just for that paragraph, and everything else will be in Helvetica. That's the kind of flexibility that we get with cascading style sheets. So in this section, we'll look at cascading style sheets in a little bit more detail.